Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. Imagine having the power to automate almost anything you can think of, from simple tasks to complex projects with just a few lines of code. The idea of automating everything might sound like science fiction, but with the latest advancements in AI coding, it's becoming a reality. Tools in this space are getting more sophisticated, allowing people to build and automate tasks with ease.
That's right. And it's not just about automating repetitive tasks. These new workflows can also help with complex decision-making and problem-solving, freeing up time for more creative and strategic work.
What does this mean for people who aren't tech-savvy? How can they take advantage of these new tools and workflows?
Well, the good news is that many of these tools are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality. This makes it easier for non-technical people to get started and build their own automated workflow.
I'm not so sure about that. Don't you think that relying too heavily on automation and AI can lead to a loss of skills and knowledge?
That's a valid concern, but I think it's a trade-off. While it's true that automation can replace some jobs, it can also create new opportunities and free up time for people to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills.
But what about the potential risks and downsides of relying on AI and automation? We've seen cases where AI systems have made mistakes or had unintended consequences.
Those are valid concerns, and it's true that AI systems are not perfect. However, many of these risks can be mitigated by designing systems that are transparent, explainable, and accountable.
I still think we need to be careful about how we use these technologies. But for people who are interested in exploring AI coding and automation, what are some practical steps they can take to get started?
One thing people can do is start by identifying tasks or processes in their daily lives that could be automated. They can then explore different tools and workflows to see which ones might be the best fit for their needs.
That's a great idea. And for those who are already familiar with coding and automation, what are some of the more advanced techniques and tools they can use to take their skills to the next level?
There are many advanced tools and techniques available, such as machine learning and natural language processing. These can be used to build more sophisticated automated workflows and systems that can learn and adapt over time.
I think we're just starting to scratch the surface of what's possible with AI coding and automation. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments and innovations in the future.
Absolutely. And for people who are interested in learning more, there are many resources available online, including tutorials, courses, and communities of developers and automation experts.
So what does this mean for you, our listener? In practical terms, it means you have the power to automate and streamline many tasks and processes in your life, freeing up time for more creative and strategic work. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mia and the Machines. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of technology, and remember, the machines are coming, but they're bringing donuts. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.